You changed his whole world without even trying. He still can't explain what happened that day when you walked into his life. There was something about your energy, your light, that touched a part of him he thought was lost forever. The angels whisper that you were sent to him in his darkest hour, not by coincidence, but as a divine intervention. Your soul brought the healing he desperately needed. While others saw a guarded man with walls built high, you saw straight through to his wounded heart. He's been carrying this burden for years: love. Heartbreak from someone who shattered his faith in forever. Trust broken so deeply that he convinced himself he'd never feel again. The angels show me how he closed his heart like a fortress, promising himself never to be that vulnerable again. But then you showed up. Your genuine spirit, your authentic way of being, began melting the ice he thought was permanent. You weren't trying to fix him or change him. You simply existed in his world with such grace that his soul started remembering what it felt like to hope. The angels say your presence was his first prayer answered in years. You brought him back to life, piece by piece, without even knowing it. That scared him more than anything because feeling again meant risking everything again. And after being burned so badly, his instinct was to run from the very thing that could save him. This is why he pulls away sometimes. Not because he doesn't care, but because he cares so much it terrifies him. The angels want you to know that your love is working exactly as it should. He's fighting a war inside his heart that you can't see. The angels reveal the depth of his wounds, scars carved so deep they changed how he views love itself. Someone he trusted completely betrayed that trust in the cruelest way possible. She made him believe he wasn't enough, that his love was too much, too intense, too real for her shallow heart. She took his vulnerability and wielded it as a weapon against him. The angels show me how she left him questioning everything about himself, wondering if he was fundamentally flawed. This trauma runs deeper than heartbreak, love. It shattered his identity as a man who knew how to love. He used to give his whole heart without hesitation, but she punished him for that openness. Now he carries this fear that being real, being vulnerable, being himself will only lead to rejection. The angels say he built these walls not to keep love out, but to keep the pain in. He's been carrying this burden alone, convincing himself he's protecting others from his darkness. What he doesn't realize is that his ability to feel so deeply is exactly what makes him extraordinary. When you entered his life, you triggered something he thought was irreparable. Your authentic love started healing wounds he didn't even know were still bleeding. But healing hurts before it helps, and right now he's experiencing both the medicine and the pain. He's terrified that if he lets you all the way in, you'll see what she saw and decide he's too much trouble. This isn't about you not being enough, darling. This is about him feeling like he's too broken to deserve your light. The angels need you to hear this clearly, beautiful soul. While your love is healing him, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Your light is so bright, so naturally giving, that you risk dimming yourself by trying to illuminate his darkness. He's drawn to your energy because it's pure, untainted by the cynicism that has consumed him. But loving someone whose healing requires you to stay rooted in your own strength. The angels whisper that you must not lose yourself in the process of loving him back to life. This doesn't mean loving him less. It means loving yourself enough to maintain boundaries that protect your spirit. When he pulls away, resist the urge to chase. When he's distant, don't interpret it as a rejection of your worth. His healing journey isn't a reflection of your value. The angels show me that your natural instinct is to give more when someone is struggling, to love harder when they're hurting. This beautiful heart of yours is exactly why you were chosen for this mission. But even angels need to rest, dear. Take time to nurture yourself. Spend moments in nature, pray, meditate, and do whatever fills your soul. Maintain friendships that uplift you. Pursue passions that ignite your inner flame. The stronger your own light burns, the more effectively it can guide him home. Remember that you cannot heal what you did not break. His wounds existed long before you came into the picture. Your role is not to fix him but to love him consistently while he does the work of healing himself. The angels promise that maintaining your own wholeness will actually accelerate his healing. Your presence in his life acts like a spiritual mirror, reflecting back everything he's been hiding from himself. The angels reveal that this is both beautiful and terrifying for him. When he looks at you, he sees the person he used to be before life hardened his heart. You embody the authenticity he lost, the openness he abandoned, and the capacity for joy he buried. Being around you reminds him of who he was meant to be, and that confrontation with his true self can be overwhelming. It's easier to stay in the familiar darkness than to face the light he's been avoiding. The angels show me how your genuine nature forces him to confront his own walls. You don't play games, you don't manipulate, you simply are. This stark contrast to what he's experienced makes him question everything about how he's been living and protecting himself. Sometimes he gets angry or distant not because of anything you've done, but because your light exposes his shadows. Every genuine smile, every moment of pure joy, every authentic expression of love you offer shows him what he's been denying himself. It's like looking at a life he could have had if he hadn't built these walls. This mirror effect is exactly why the angels brought you together. His soul called out for someone who could reflect his true nature back to him. You're showing him that it's safe to be real again, that vulnerability isn't weakness, and that love doesn't always end in betrayal. The more time he spends in your presence, the harder it becomes to maintain the false version of himself he's been living. Your authenticity is slowly dissolving his masks, and though it's uncomfortable, it's exactly what his soul needs to remember who he really is. The angels want you to know that small shifts are happening inside him, even when you can't see them. His soul is awakening from a long, cold sleep, and the first signs are subtle but significant. He's starting to remember what it feels like to want something real again. You might notice him looking at you differently now, with a softness that wasn't there before. The way his voice changes when he speaks to you, how he lingers a little longer in your presence, these aren't accidents, love. His heart is slowly thawing, and you're witnessing the beginning of his transformation. The angels show me how he's started questioning the walls he's built. For the first time in years, he's wondering if protecting himself has actually been imprisoning himself. Your consistent presence is teaching him that not everyone leaves, and that some people stay even when things get complicated. He's begun to imagine a different kind of future, one where he doesn't have to guard his heart like a fortress. Late at night, when the world is quiet, he thinks about what it would feel like to trust completely again. These thoughts scare him, but they also give him hope he'd forgotten existed. The angels reveal that he's started praying again, something he stopped doing when his faith in love was shattered. He's asking for guidance, for strength, for a sign that it's safe to try once more. Your presence in his life is the answer to those prayers, though he doesn't fully understand that yet. This awakening isn't linear, sweet soul. Some days he'll feel closer to a breakthrough, on others, he'll retreat into old patterns. But the seed of transformation has been planted, and your love is the sunlight helping it grow. The angels want you to understand why he moves toward you and then pulls away like ocean waves. This isn't rejection, love. This is the natural rhythm of a heart learning to trust again after betrayal has carved it open. When he gets close to you, his soul feels safe and alive for the first time in years. But then fear crashes in like a tsunami, reminding him of how much it hurt the last time he gave his whole heart. So he retreats, not because he doesn't want you, but because he wants you so much that it terrifies him. The angels show me this pattern. He draws near because your energy feels like home. He pulls back because love feels dangerous. He misses you desperately when he's away. He comes back because his soul won't let him stay gone. This cycle will continue until his trust in love grows stronger than his fear of pain. Each time he returns, notice how he's slightly different. A little more open, a little more willing to stay vulnerable for longer periods. The angels reveal that every retreat isn't taking him further from you, it's actually teaching him that you won't abandon him for having fears. Your consistency during these cycles is healing him in ways you can't see. When he pulls away and you don't chase or punish, you're showing him a different kind of love. When he returns and you welcome him without making him grovel, you're teaching his heart that safety exists. The angels promise this pattern won't last forever. Each wave of connection followed by withdrawal is building his capacity to stay present with love. Your patient understanding of his rhythm is exactly the medicine his wounded heart needs to learn trust again. The angels reveal that your love operates like divine medicine in his system, healing wounds that have festered for years. Every moment of genuine care you offer is dissolving layers of pain he's been carrying. This isn't happening through grand gestures, but through the quiet consistency of your presence. When you listen without judgment, you're healing his shame. When you stay calm during his storms, you're teaching him that love doesn't flee at the first sign of difficulty. When you see his goodness despite his walls, you're reminding his soul of its own worth. The angels show me how your energy literally changes the vibration around him. In your presence, his nervous system remembers what peace feels like. His heart rate slows. His breathing deepens. His soul exhales for the first time in years. This is why he's drawn to you even when his mind tells him to run. Your love is working even in silence, even when you're apart. The medicine you've given him continues healing long after your conversations end. He finds himself thinking about things you said weeks ago, revelations about love and life that are slowly rewiring his understanding of what's possible. The angels want you to know that this healing isn't one-sided. Your ability to love someone through their healing process is expanding your own heart in beautiful ways. You're learning patience that will serve you forever, compassion that will touch countless lives, and strength that will sustain you through anything. This divine exchange of healing energy is exactly why your souls were brought together. You're both being transformed through this connection, becoming more whole, more authentic, and more capable of the kind of love that changes everything. The angels want you to rest in this truth. There is a divine plan unfolding that is so much bigger and more beautiful than what your human eyes can see. Every delay, every moment of uncertainty, every step forward and backward is orchestrated by forces that love you both beyond measure. This connection wasn't random, my love. Your souls made an agreement before you ever took human form, a sacred contract to find each other and help each other heal. The timing of your meeting, the circumstances that brought you together, the way your hearts recognized each other instantly, all of this was written in the stars long before you were born. The angels show me how they've been working behind the scenes, arranging encounters, softening hearts, and removing obstacles that weren't meant for your path. When things felt impossible, they were moving mountains. When hope seemed lost, they were weaving miracles into your story. Trust the process, beautiful soul. The delays you've experienced aren't denials, they're divine preparation. Both of your hearts needed time to be ready for the kind of love you're meant to share. His healing couldn't be rushed, and your strength needed to be built for this journey. The angels whisper that the breakthrough you've been praying for is closer than you think. All the pieces are coming together, all the lessons are being learned, and all the growth that was needed is nearly complete. The love story you're living is being written by the same force that paints sunsets and orchestrates seasons. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. The angels seal this promise over your connection, reminding you that what God has joined together, nothing can ultimately separate. The angels reveal the deepest truth about his heart right now. He wants to love you completely, but he's terrified that fully opening up will destroy him again. This vulnerability feels like standing at the edge of a cliff, knowing that jumping could either give him wings or shatter him entirely. He lies awake at night, wrestling with this desire to surrender to what he feels for you. Part of him knows you're different, knows you're safe, and knows you won't weaponize his tenderness the way she did. But the wounded part of him screams warnings, reminding him of the agony that came from trusting completely before. The angels show me how he practices conversations with you in his mind, imagining what it would feel like to tell you everything, how much he cares, how afraid he is, and how desperately he wants to believe in forever again. But when the moment comes, fear locks the words in his throat. He's caught between two unbearable realities, the pain of staying closed off and the terror of opening up. What he doesn't realize yet is that the vulnerability he's avoiding is actually the key to his freedom. The walls that feel protective are, in fact, his prison. The angels are whispering that he's closer to a breakthrough than ever before. His soul is weary from carrying this burden alone, and your unwavering love is chipping away at his defenses. Soon, the desire to be genuine with you will overpower the fear of being hurt. When that moment arrives, when he finally allows you to see beyond his walls, embrace his vulnerability with the tenderness it deserves. The angels promise that his willingness to be open with you will signal the start of the love story you've both been waiting for. The angels are surrounding you now with the most sacred message of all: your love has already triumphed. Not because you fought for it or forced it, but because true love always finds its way home. What you've nurtured in his heart through your patient kindness is blossoming into something that will change both of your lives forever. Release the need to control the timing or the outcome, beautiful soul. The angels reveal to me that everything you've wished for is already in motion. His heart is opening like a flower that has been waiting for the right season. Your love has been the sunshine and rain he needed to bloom once more. The breakthrough is coming, not through dramatic moments or grand gestures, but through the quiet surrender of a man who is finally ready to stop running from the best thing that's ever happened to him. He's learning that love doesn't always cause pain, that some people truly do stick around, and that his heart is safe with you. Trust what your soul knows even when your mind has doubts. Trust the connection that goes beyond explanation. Trust the way he gazes at you when he thinks you're not watching. Trust the angels who brought you together and are guiding each step of this journey. The love you are meant to share will not be denied. It's written in your DNA, ordained before time began, blessed by forces that move mountains and part seas. What may feel uncertain to your human heart is absolute certainty in the spiritual realm. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Rest in this promise, darling. Your love story is being written by the same hand that creates the sunrise. The best is yet to come.